Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Gate.io and you're wondering, is this a legitimate cryptocurrency exchange? You know, there are lots of different cryptocurrency opportunities, MLM deals, that kind of thing popping up everywhere like mushrooms, right? Some are really good, some are kind of middle area, and some are just plain bad. You want to stay away from them. They're complete scams. So I'm going to cover Gate.io and you can decide for yourself whether you want to invest into this cryptocurrency exchange and gateway, okay? Now, Gate.io is basically a very big cryptocurrency exchange, right? So 100% legitimate. Basically, if you came to this website, you would be able to basically buy cryptocurrency, okay? So you can transfer money very easily via credit card, by a bank transfer, and they even have P2P trading and lending. That means that you can connect with normal everyday people that have a lot of USDT on hand, and you can exchange your local currency with them, and then they will send you the appropriate USDT. Once you get the USDT, then you can come into here and you can buy pretty much any cryptocurrency and altcoin and trade like a real trader, which is really, really cool. Okay. Now, the other thing that I like about Gate.io is they have rewards, right? So they've got a reward center here, and just by joining them, you're gonna get free different types of awards, right? So if you just verify your account, they're going to give you up to $1,000 in bonus, which is pretty cool, right? But you can't withdraw that $1,000 straight away. You have to reinvest that into marketing. Sorry, reinvest it into investing. And once you make a profit on that, then you can withdraw that money, right? So it's just an incentive to join these guys, right? If you were to do, then you can kind of go through this yourself, right? So there's a first-time subscription to social trading, there's a perpetual contract transaction, and these points kind of add up, and you can turn them into dollars as well once you reinvest them as well. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Okay, now they also have bonuses, all right, to your campaigns, right? So if you would to come down to bonuses here, you can get different types of bonuses by, for example, inviting your friends. Look at this. Gate Futures Academy, invite your friends and win potentially $10,000. You get put into a competition, which is pretty cool. So if you want to check some of these out, they've got a lot of different little bonuses that you can get. So you can, for example, lock up some of your investments here, and you can kind of go through this yourself, right? But basically, they've got a very cool bonus campaign and task bonus section, which just incentivizes you to use Gate.io. Again, obviously, they're using this as a marketing strategy to get more people to use their platform, but this is a completely legitimate exchange which you can use to basically buy crypto, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you want to look at some of the altcoins like Solano, and Cardano, for example, these are coins that are doing very well. There's Litecoin, there's Elite Coin, there's so many. Helium, for example. This is a great exchange, legitimate 100%. You put your money into it, you buy cryptocurrency, you hold on to that cryptocurrency, and when that cryptocurrency goes up, you can decide when to sell it. Okay, obviously investing is a risk, guys, so just understand that there is a risk to this as well. But this is a 100% legitimate website. A lot of people use it, hundreds of thousands of people use it, and it's a great place to buy cryptocurrency. Now, the cool thing as well is there's a lot of different ways to trade. Okay, now I would stick to the spot trade. This is pretty, standard basic. You just come in here, you buy crypto. You basically get USDT and you can trade for Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solano and Cardano and all that other stuff. They also have more advanced derivatives. For example, they've got a lot of different products like, a perpetual product, futures, contracts, ETFs, and stuff like that. Now, you don't have to get into any of these, but just understand that Gate.io is pretty comprehensive. So if you want to start getting more advanced, if you want to buy, derivatives and ETFs and stuff like that, feel free to do that here inside of Gate.io, which is really, really cool. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of other exchanges that I use, right? And I've made a lot of money from them, which are also legitimate. So it just depends on where in the world you want to invest in crypto, okay? So another one that I use really heavily is Binance, right? So Binance is a very cool platform. Very, very similar, okay? They've got lots of different ways, tons of different products that you can use. These guys, I mean, I've bought, I've sold, I've withdrawn my money many, many times, okay, from Binance. It's very cool. Another one is called Bybit. Bybit is also 100% legitimate, all very similar to Gate.io, okay? So these are all very legitimate cryptocurrency exchanges. That means they've got, millions of people on there. They're selling all types of crypto, and you buy, you hold, and you invest. Okay, so investing is a risk, right? Now, here's what I don't want you to do. I'm going to show you what a lot of people think is a good way to invest in crypto, but it's actually not, right? And then I'm going to show you how I build my wealth and how you can 10x your income if that's what you want to do, okay? Now, unfortunately, there are a lot of crypto deals that pop up like mushrooms too. And what a lot of these guys do is they combine a cryptocurrency, usually with some sort of MLM, and they sort of guarantee you return. So they'll say stuff like, okay, we've got this coin that's coming out, buy this coin, right? Buy our investment, and then recruit your friends and family, and we're going to guarantee you an ROI, a return on investment of 200% over 3 months or over 1 month or over 45 days or whatever, right? So anything that looks like that, you want to stay away from that, okay? Because most of the time these are just Ponzi schemes looking to prey on people that don't understand the crypto market, right? So I'm going to show you a couple of coins and a couple of deals that I called out in my reviews. I got a lot of heat for them, but they eventually got shut down, all right? So I know a thing or two about crypto because I've been investing in crypto for 3+ years now, right? Made a lot of money with it. I've even invested in bad deals. I knew they were Ponzi schemes, but I just wanted to test them out to see how they would work. And I've lost like over $10,000. Just buying. So the one that I bought into is called Burax, right? Shut down. I was in it for a month. No, that's not even a month. I was in it for like 20 days, and it basically they did an exit scam, and I lost $10,000. Okay, so just be very careful. So the first one is OneCoin, right? OneCoin was a massive Ponzi scheme. Okay, these guys looked like they were legit. They did the whole, we're gonna guarantee you results. They had a massive CEO. She's on the run right now. Okay, and she stole $4 billion. $4 billion. Okay, you may have heard of this one. I did a review on them. I got a lot of heat for them, but I knew that it was a Ponzi scheme because it had all the makings of a Ponzi scheme. So stay away from this kind of stuff, right? Another one that was huge, okay, was USI Tech. I don't know if you guys remember this one, right? This was like 2 or 3 years ago. I called USI Tech out. I had so many friends in the industry telling me, Aaron, you should buy USI Tech, blah, 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 blah. Like they're guaranteeing returns and stuff like that. I'm like, guys, this looks like a straight up Ponzi scheme, right? If it looks like a duck, if it quacks like a duck, if it swims like a duck, it's probably a duck, okay? And these guys got shut down and they ran away with hundreds of millions of dollars. I had a lot of friends in the business that lost a ton of money because they were just silly. They got greedy, okay? So there's a difference between smart investing in cryptocurrency and stupid greedy investing, which is what a lot of people do. They get greedy, it looks like a Ponzi scheme, but they still invest their money into it. And what happens is, yes, you can make a little bit of money if you get in at the right time, but you don't want to risk your money in some sort of, deal that guarantees you returns, because nobody can guarantee you returns, okay? So coming back to Gate.io, this is a legitimate exchange if you guys want to invest. And just understand that this is real investing. You're taking a risk with your money, okay? So the market may go up, it may go down, it may go flat, right? You may earn 1,000% in a week depending on when you buy into the crypto. So you just need to do your homework, but just understand that Gate.io is a 100% legitimate exchange. I only like to buy from legitimate exchanges. Stay away from MLM crypto deals and stuff that guarantee you returns, because most of the time, like OneCoin and USI Tech, they're just straight up Ponzi schemes. There are a lot of these guys out there, okay? Burax was shut down. Forsage is, again, it's on the SEC's watch list. Just be very, very careful, okay? This is your hard-earned money. You can do whatever you want with it. Now, I'm going to show you a way right now where I take my money, right? And then I take my money, I build it using a sort of a selling machine. And then once I build that income, I then take it and invest it in crypto. That's actually the smart way to do it. What you don't want to do is you don't want to invest the money that you don't have into crypto, because crypto, even though it's doing really, really well, right, it's a risk. It's an investment, right? And sometimes you can withdraw your money. It's pretty liquid. But if the markets crash, and they crash all the time because that's what crypto is like, you might not be able to withdraw your money. So just understand that the way to build wealth is to have an income, take that income, put it into a cash generating machine, which I'll show you in a second. And then once you make that money from that cash generating machine, invest it into investments like ETFs, funds, mutual funds, property, cryptocurrency, and that's how you blow up your wealth exponentially. Okay, that's how I did it, all right? So I'm gonna show you something that I do every single day. Now, this is basically a product that I sell, okay? It's not even my own product, it's somebody else's product. So what I do is I learned how to do this. I learned the skill of selling digital courses online, right? And this is one product of many products that I sell, and I've earned $94,358.88 just selling this training product. This is a marketing program. somebody else's program, right? And all I do is I become a middle person. I find a group of people that want this product. I find the product that they want to help them solve the problem. I connect them together as a middle person, and when they buy the product, I make a commission directly from these companies, right? So this one company, excuse me, I've generated over 94,000 US dollars. Now, what do I do with this money? I then take this money and I invest it into crypto. So I will go to a exchange like Binance or an exchange like Gate.io. I will do my research on the cryptocurrency and I'll buy the crypto and I'll hold it. Okay? So when you've got a cash generating machine that is doing this and you've got multiples of this because you're selling multiple products online, it's so much easier to generate wealth because now you've got a cash generating machine that's building you these sales every single day, every single month. Then you take some of it, you pay off your bills or whatever, maybe you travel, you spend time with your kids, and then the rest of it you invest it so that you can multiply your wealth quickly over time. Okay, so that is the trick. That's how you really build wealth. All right, and this is called affiliate marketing, and I teach this inside a lot of my training courses, right? So to invest, obviously, first of all, Gate.io is very, very cool. You can check out Binance as well, and you can check out Bybit, all right? But what you want to do is if you have extra money, you want to invest it in learning how to build an online income. Build that cash generating machine out first, okay? And then once you're making $5,000 a month, $10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, then take that money and invest it into investments like cryptocurrency, because with crypto, you want to hold on to it for a while, right? You don't necessarily want to become a day trader, even though you can, but it's a lot of work. You want to buy and hold. All right, you want to buy and hold Bitcoin, you want to buy and hold Ethereum, you want to buy and hold Cardano, you want to buy and hold ADA, because these investments, it's kind of like buying a Microsoft stock when Microsoft first opened, whenever it was 30, 40 years ago. I don't even know what it is, right? It blew up, okay? So you want to hold on to it. You don't want to buy and sell in like 6 months. You want to buy and hold and sell in maybe 3 or 5, 10 years. That's how you exponentially grow your wealth. I hope that makes sense, okay? So I hope you got some value from this video today. Gate.io is very cool if you want to check it out. And if you want to learn how I do this, how do I build a cash generating machine? Okay, how do I sell other people's products online? How do I then take that income, invest it into investments, and grow my wealth exponentially? I want to show you how to do that. Just click the link below or the arrow on the right hand side if you're on your mobile device. On the next page, enter your best email address, jump onto my free workshop, and I will show you how I do this every single day. How do I take companies? How do I find products? How do I connect them to people that want those products, help them solve a problem, generate a commission, a big commission in the process, and then how do I take that and multiply my wealth using things like cryptocurrency? I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you on the workshop. Take care and all the best.